Hey, be careful. You're not watching. Come on, Alexander. We are walking, guys. We are in the wild forest again. For walking lang. Mag-running sana kami. But, I don't know. Sila mag-running siguro. Ako hindi. Kasi yung aking outfit, hindi pang running. It's good here to walk.
We are refugees now.
Haha.
Hiding in wilderness.
Pangit ng buhok ko.
This one is okay.
Pangit ng buhok ko ngayon, ah. Kagising ko lang kasi, tapos sabi niya, plano talaga namin today na mag-walking. Kaso nga lang, kahapon kasi pumunta ako ng party, tapos may inuman. Wine lang naman, pero dami kong ininom. Kaya, oh no. Pag-picnic kami mamaya, nasasakyan yung picnic namin. I brought so many fruits. And then, nakalimutan ko magdala ng sandwiches. So, fruits lang yung dinala ko.
Sandwiches?
No, I forgot. Because it's there. And then, sausage roll also. Yeah, this is the problem. When you are acting, you know. Nothing.
What did you say? And we will check who's faster. So run now and I will tell you when to stop.
We will have a competition.
Farther?
Yeah, further. Because need stamina also. Who will stay longer?
More. A little more.
Let's see who will win. I am 50 something and he's 100. It's okay, that one, yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay.
On
Stop.
your mark, wait. I will
And
off the
wait.
camera. Baby, it's so weak. Oh my god, even it's not moving that much.
Come on.
Somebody to push me first before video. Oh, pagod na si Alexander. This is the first time na napagod siya kasi nga matagal talaga kami nag-walk. And at the same time, nag-run siya kaya nakakapagod. Ang daling mapagod pag more on running kaysa sa walking. Kaya kinarga na lang siya. No, it's okay. Yeah, just Saturday if you can plan. Yan, nandito na yung aming tent. Yung ano kasi niya, cover niya is madumi kasi kaya hindi ko nilabhan ko na lang muna. Tapos ito yung ating picnic. Picnic blanket. Tsaka yan si Afam, yung mga fruits nandyan. Kumain kami ng konti sa car kasi mga pagod. Nakapagod din guys mag-walking, no? Kaya kumain kami. Yung watermelon almost tapos na namin. Yeah. And then naiihi ako actually. But 30 minutes lang naman or 1 hour kami mag-picnic. And we'll go home. Actually, walking distance lang to sa bahay. Kaso nga lang, may mga bit-bit kasi kami. Kaya we decided to take the car. Mga 3 minutes lang. Or even 2 minutes lang drive. Which is very, you know, very easy. Ito lang naman, para may fresh air lang. Yeah. Naubos na namin. Konti na lang yung natira.
It makes a shadow.
Sa fruit. Then here, sa aming tent. Tapos ito yung ating ito lang. Tapos naggumawa din ako ng coffee. Kasi coffee is life. Kahit nasa picnic, kahit mainit.
Coffee is life?
Coffee is life. It's like a saying. And this is my hot water. And
I
we
don't
have
think so, Toffee.
cold water here. Yan. And here, ito yung mga ice. Anong tawag dito? Ice pack. Ice pack. Ngayon, malamig. Hindi na siya ice.
Photos.
Yeah. Yeah, to keep the food.
What? Because it's hot here?
Yeah. Yan, naubos na namin to. Marami to kanina.
Now what is this one for?
I'm here sa Home Bargains, guys. Bili tayo ng towel again. Kasi iniwanan ni Alexander yung towel niya sa school. So I cannot give him our towel kasi nga super big yung towel sa bahay. So we'll buy new here. Hello guys, nandito na ako sa Home Bargains. Tingnan nyo. Mura lang siya. It's only 50 cm and it's only 350. I'm thinking, lalagay ko dito yung aming oak tree or maybe yung strawberry namin kasi yung strawberry namin ano siya, I think mas maganda, maraming soil. Bibili din ako ng soil dito. Pero ayoko ng color niya kasi nga white, I mean brown. Ito sana, may gray sana dito. Ito. Maybe this one na lang. More expensive siya. 8 pound. I'm thinking, maybe this one na lang. Ito na lang, dalawa siguro. No? Kasi ito, ugly siya for me. Meron pala silang, meron silang gray. Okay, wait lang. Maybe I'll grab the gray. Kasi I preferred gray yung kulay. Ayoko ng brown. Na, if the same sila ng price. Merong dalawa dito. Ay, look at this. Kasi ang price, maganda yung price din. Let's see. I think the same siya ng code or not. Same. 5.0, yeah, okay. So, ito na lang. At least, prepared ko siya na kulay. Dalawa yung bibilhin ko. Yan. Sobrang laki, no? Tapos, bibilihan ko sa Alexander ng towel kasi nga, naiwan niya yung beach bag niya. Naiwan niya yung beach bag niya sa school. So, nandun yung kanyang goggles, yung kanyang swimming attire, yung kanyang hat. But anyway, hopefully, they can return it to me. If hindi, wala tayong choice. Ano lang to, 7 pound. Yeah, diba? Pero para siyang pang beach talaga. Which is I like. Anyway, magagamit naman to ni Alexander. Even next year like that. Kasi yung kanyang towel ngayon, it's Spider-Man. Medyo maliit siya. And pang ano siya pa ganyan. So, yeah. Okay guys, I need to shop more. This is the best weather. Yeah. Punta kami sa forest, guys. Nag-walk lang kami kasi malapit lang siya. We'll just walk there. And look at this. I like this, yeah. White rocks, babe. Yeah, it's not that expensive, this white rocks. Yeah, very nice. Sobrang ganda, guys. Hindi na ako nag-film, guys, kasi nga private property siya. Yung pinuntahan namin, sobrang ganda.
Yeah, cricket, tennis, and
Yeah,
football.
yeah,
So he can play there when he's older as well.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
yeah, that's so good. And very good smell doon kasi they have flowers, so much flowers. Which is so nice. Ito yung magiging school soon ni Alexander. Maybe that's why there's no off license here, babe. They don't need really because they have so much fridge. Yeah,
Yeah, freezers.
yeah. So if you open here, maybe very few will buy.
They will invite him.
Yeah, and then we'll see mansion. It's really nice yung dito namin, guys. Yung place namin, really good place. You punch him? But he bite me already.
So what?
I don't know. Kasi may nakita kaming dog, super big. Wala siyang leash. Pero nilagyan na after nung may-ari. Kasi sobrang laki, guys. Hindi ako nagbe-video kasi I'm enjoying. Look at here. Look at this place. It's so beautiful. I'm here sa Lidl, guys. And bibili tayo ng food kasi nga naubos, konti na lang yung food namin sa bahay. Ito yung binili ko. Wala na kasi kaming mga fruits. And I think I need to grab some milk din. Wait nga. Dito sa Aldi, mura siya. Pero ayaw dito ni Afam kasi nga wala yung mga gusto niya. Wait lang. So anyway, it's almost finished na kasi kailangan ko na umalis. Thank God I remember. Gusto pala dito ni Afam yung kanilang garlic bread tsaka yung spring rolls nila dito. Gusto niya. Kaya kuha tayo ng garlic bread and spring rolls. Hindi ko nang makalimutan. Actually, ito yung pinunta ko dito. Kasi yun lang talaga yung gusto niya dito na sa shop na to. God, puno na naman yung ating cart. But, yeah, yun na lang. Spring rolls and si Alexander naman, dinosaur niya. Ito tayo ng dinosaur. May nakita ako dito na baka magustuhan ni Alexander pero hindi ko siya bibilhin kasi nga ito ay large, 6 large. Ito yung gusto ni Afam. Ito. Paano ba to? It's 179. Yan. Ito yung gusto niya. Kuha tayo ng 3 siguro. Kasi gusto niya. Kay Alexander naman, itong dinosaur. But, let's see. May chicken nuggets pa sila dito. Kasi yung bibilhin ko, yun talagang alam kong kakainin nila. Kasi pag hindi, ako lang yung kumakain. Trying to lose weight, pero pag hindi nila kinain, ako talaga yung kakain kasi masayang.
So, we have two.
May police.
The police and the fireman.
Yeah?
Oh, there's another car. Let's say up with this, because we didn't say up with the
Okay. Okay. Give me in my hand.
Why? Isn't somebody
Yeah.
come here?
Yeah.
But nobody. It's full.
Pikachu is putting this bin again. After swimming, guys. Alexander have so much energy still.
Uh-oh.